Okay, so everything is fine now, guys. Everything is fine now. Let me know that. Use the chat box, everybody. Okay, good, good. So, okay, so now fine, right? So here, what is that? See this, okay? This is the object is there, right? Based on that, this employee object, right? This employee object is there, okay? So what is that? EID, EMP name, ESAL is there. Just think about that. What is that? EID. EID is there, right? EID, just I'm taking what is that? 10, right? Another one is what? E name. E name, I'm taking what is that? E name, I'm taking what? Any name. Any just uh in the session only I will take someone name. Okay, first name. Okay, leave it. A I'm just
Staygan.
taking, right? A. Here I'm taking what?
Staygan. बस नहीं कहना था कि पढ़ाई से Staygan.
Please mute yourself, Ayodele. Mute yourself, Ayodele, please. Okay, so fine now, guys. Okay. E name is there, right? E name is there. Another one is what? E sal, right? E sal is there. Okay, fine. So E salary, just what is that? E salary, we are specifying what is the 3.3. This is the salary, right? Okay, fine now, guys. So these three primitive data type table. So object will prepared now. Okay. Okay. So fine now, guys. So next one is what? After then, what is that? Setup string is there, right? Setup string, project strings are there. So just think about that. The reference variable we are taking, all right? PROJS, projects, right? Projects, yeah. Project. Okay. So equal to what is that? Project P1. P1 I'm taking, P2. Project P2 I'm taking, P2, and what is that? And P3. P3 I'm taking three projects, right? Three projects. Okay. So this object is work on three projects now. Okay. Good. Now next one is what? Next one is what? Modules are there, right? This is the object, guys. I will store how the data will store in the database, right? In the database table. So we will see that as a practical only, right? Practical only. So now, okay, fine now, guys. So projects are there, right? Projects P1 and P2 and P3 are there, right? Fine now. Okay. So next one is what? Next one is what? Modules are there, right? Modules. Good, good. So next one is what? Modules are there. Okay. So what is that? Module. So see that. Okay. Module. Models are there, right? Models are there. Inside these models, just think about that. What is that? M1. I'm taking what is that? M1 and what? M2. M2. Okay. Only two only. I'm taking, right? Only two. So we know that. Just we seen that, right? So okay. So fine. M1 and M2. I said, right? This is which kind of collection type, right? List is there, right? Models is what? List is what is that? Index based now, guys. So if two data is there, so what is that? First index M1 will become what is that? Zero index now, guys. Okay, zero index. And another one is what? And M2 will become what? First index, right? Correct na? Come on. Okay. Okay, so let's move on. Okay, let's move on now, guys. Okay, let's move on. Okay, good. So another one is what? Client is there, right? Another one is what? Client is there. See this client is there, right? Here, what? Client is there. Another one is what? Clients is there, right? Clients object is there, right? Clients. Okay. So, okay, in the clients, what we will do now? What we will do now? We will specify what is that? C1, because we are in the map collection. How we are storing the data, guys? Key and value format, right? Key and value format. So just think about client one. Client one, just I'm taking what is that? RK, my name only. RK. Okay. Another one is what? Client two. Client two I'm taking, right? Client two I'm taking Oracle. Oracle, right? These two clients are there. Okay, these two clients are there. Okay, good. So fine now, guys. So good. So this data, okay, so this is what is that our employee, this entity is there, right? This entity is there, right? Based on this entity, what we are doing now, this is the object is there now, guys. Okay, this is what our object is there. Okay, so okay, in that object, right, this data is there. How it will store, how our what is that JPA will store the data now, guys? How JPA will store the data, we will see that. Okay, we will see this. Okay, so now what is that first table is there, 10A 3.3 is there, right? So see this here. Here 10 primary key will become, and what is that? Name will become what? A, and what is that? 3.3.3, right? 3.3. What is that? E salary 3.3 is will become, right? E point 3.3. Okay, so now okay, E name based on E name, how many he is working the project how many project he completed in the company, right? So for that, what is that primary key is there, right? Based on the primary key, how another table, right? In another P1, P2, P3 is there, right? So 10 P1, P1, right? Another one is what? 10. Another one is what? P2, P2, right? Okay, another one is what? 10. Another one is what? P3, P3, right? Like this the data will store, right? Like this one data will store projects, right? P1, P2, P3 is there, right? P1 what? P1 and P2, P3 is there, right? So this data will store in the table, right? Okay, so fine now models is there, but this is the index base, right? Index base. Okay, so fine now, guys. So here what is that? See this. See this. Okay. So here what modules are there, right? So here primary key, right? So models. Okay. Okay. In the project, how many modules he covered now? Okay. So let's see that. Okay, 10. I'm taking what is that primary key is what? 10 only, right? 10 only and 10 only, right? And a 2 here. What is that index? What is the index M1 project now? M1 module now, guys? 0, right? 0 index. And after then what? Here, what is that? M1. Here, what it will become? M1, right? M1. Now, fine. Another one is what? Here, come here. Here, what is that? Index number 1. And what is that? Index number 1. And what will happen now, guys? What will happen now? M2. M2, right? M2. This data will store. Okay, so fine now, guys. So here, what is that client table? Now client table also there, right? C1, CK. What is that? Yeah, C1 client 1, RK client 2, Oracle, right? So we know that positional index is not duplicate, right? And inside that key and value will be there, and key is a not duplicate. So same like here, what will happen now, guys? Here 10 10, and what is that client 1, and what is that RK. Okay, another one is what? Another one is what? 20, sorry, 10, 10, and what is that? C2, and what is that? Oracle, right? Like this. If the map, if we are taking what is that map collection, then the table will generate like this. If we are taking list, then table will generate like this, guys. Okay, if we are taking the set, then table will generate like this. For this conclusion, I given these examples now, guys. Okay, so if object is there like this, okay, if object is there like this, then what will happen now? Then our what is that our table will generate like this, and what is that a data will store now. Data will store now. This is the normalization format, guys. Okay, this is the date table will generate inside that. What by default, what is that we have need to implement? What is that by default? If we are developing using JDBC, then we have need to implement what is that this normalization explicitly, but ORM framework is doing explicitly. No need to what is that implement these things. Okay, in the what is that in the table, right? In the what is that application, just we will use what is that this annotation. Based on this annotation, what will happen now? This table will generate it now, guys. Till now in this explanation, anybody having any doubt now, guys? Let me know that. Okay, I will clarify now. Shubham, still don't talk about one to many, many to one. Okay, I will tell when the things will come. Okay, if here any doubt is there, let me know that one to many, many to one next concept is there. Okay, but like this, that one also same.
Sir, inside the map, we are taking position like C1 as index.
Yes, key will become what is that positional index. This one is the
Yeah,
value.
inside the list we are taking 0, 1, but inside. Yeah, okay.
Who's that fellow one?
So here we are taking in position index 0, 1 also taking na. Inside client we are taking key value pair.
Acha, okay, good, very good. Now I will tell. Okay. So just think about that map collection is there, right? Inside that map collection, how we are storing the data, key and what is that value format? Key and value format, right? Please talk to me where you are.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, key value pair.
So here, who is the giving the key? Developer is giving, right?
Yeah.
And value is the RK. Who is the giving? But rule is there. What is that? Key should not be. What is that? Key not be what? Duplicate, right? If we take
Duplicate.
duplicate, then what will happen? Our map will not accept it, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So fine. So list is there. Okay. In the list, just take array list only. List. Okay. List only. So okay. Whenever we are adding the data, right? Just think about a dot add. So what we are giving here, just think about that. I'm giving what is that project P1 I'm giving, right? Here I'm giving any key.
No.
Internally our list, what will happen now? This data will
Index.
this data will store in which position now?
In 0 position.
Then
Index 0 position.
then here what will happen now? If list is there, then we are not generating, right, this indexes. But
Yeah.
here what we are taking now, position in the key and value format, what we are giving, key we only giving, right?
Yeah.
Now clear?
Yeah, clear. In a list that is automatic generated and a
Yeah,
map we have.
in a list.
Yeah,
And what is that? In the map, what we are doing now, we are explicitly key will become what is that positional index.
Yeah, okay.
Got it?
Yeah, got it.
Others also same doubt. Clear now. Amrani. Good. So shall we implement this application as a practical now, guys? Okay, let's do the practical on this application, right? Let's do the practical on this application. Okay, fine now, guys. So let's move on. New file, new Spring Starter project. Okay. Lombok. After then Spring Data JPA. After then what is that? MySQL driver. Now next, finish. No voice, K Jaffer. No voice, guys. 1 minute, friend. Who's the new in the session, right? Our what is that WhatsApp group also there. That group link I'm sending inside that what this chat box. Okay, please join our what is that WhatsApp group. Okay, there you will get what is that like maybe the people are not using much Telegram, right? If you are there in WhatsApp group, you will get easily updates. In the chat box, I given our group link, guys. Okay, please utilize that. Who want, you can utilize it, no issue. Okay, fine now, guys. So still project is creating now, guys. Okay, because of that, I'm doing other things. Okay, see this 26% only the project is created, right? Wait it until unless if the project is not complete, right? Then we can't. Still is taking time now. How much time it's taking now? Hey Jafar, how's the job scope? See, boss, everyone is in the meeting, right? For the they are working employee. Okay, you can ask from those people also. They will tell. Okay, if you have the knowledge, okay, there is no problem in that. Job scope is good only in the Java sector, IT industry, right? IT industry for everyone and every time. Okay, just if you have the knowledge, that's it. It's taking too much time to creating the project. Import, getting start content. What is the problem? It's taking too much time now. Create or not? No, Sachin, actually, you know,
Ravi, maybe your network is not working.
sorry. Internet is good only, I think. Yeah, it's creating. Now the project is started to create. My system configuration is good only, but whenever we are connecting with what is that Zoom meeting, right? At that time, it's not able to handle the things. Okay. So fine now, guys. So let's leave it. Okay. Leave it. The project is created. Let's start the work. Okay. Let's start the work now. Okay. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to open the properties file. Okay. I'm going to open the property file. Okay. So today I will give one shortcut to create what is that YAML file. Okay.
Ravi, this is
Yes.
Sachin actually. Are you just have you just putting that app like auto build application?
Please speak loud.
Workspace option is there at the projects.
Sorry.
At the project there is option, right? Auto build. At the projects there is option auto build. So if you just mark that as a selected, that time it will take that much time also, because it's just building the entire workspace
Okay.
by
Okay.
refreshing
Okay.
all the
Good. Good.
projects.
Good. Good. We will see next time onward. We will see that. Okay.
Sure, sure.
Okay. So this property file is open now, guys. Okay. So what is that database? What's happening now? Database properties, right? I typed, but still the letter is not came. What is this? Still 1 GB RAM is there, so good only. PROP. Properties, good. Yeah, everything is closed now. Okay, no problem, guys. Okay. System is wasting our time. Okay, so fine now. What is that? Spring. Spring dot what? Spring dot what is that? Data source. Data source dot what? Driver hyphen class name, right?
Spelling mistake Ravi. Data.
Another one is what? Spring dot data source dot what URL.
Ravi, data source spelling is wrong for the first property.
Okay.
Line number second.
Yes, good. Another one is what? Spring dot data source username. Another one is what? Spring data source dot password. Right? Okay, so these are the What is that? Database property. Okay, let's take what is that? Hibernate. Spring dot what? JPA dot show SQL. Spring dot JPA dot hibernate DDL dot auto create. Another one is what? Spring dot JPA dot database platform, right? Control Shift T. I will format this system because it's giving too much problem. I'm opening the dialect and it Control Shift T. Copy. Okay, fine now guys. So here come to and let's give the database information, right? Open the okay, fine now guys. So let's create what is that model class. Okay, let's create the model class. From here onward, I think our work will be smooth only, right? So come inside that what? Come inside that what? Main, right? Here inside that take one package. Right click new, and what is that? Class. Okay. So what we are deciding here now to take com.rk.model and employee, right? So here what is that? Model and what is that? Employee. Fine. Now finish. Okay. Okay, here what is that? Data is there, right? Data. What kind of data now? EID, name, ESAL, project, model, client, right? Okay, good. So let's take, okay, private. What is that? EMP ID, right? Integer. Okay, so fine. Another one is what? Private. Another one is what? Private string EMP name, right? EMP name. Another one is what? Private double double EMP cell, right? EMP cell. Fine. Another one is what? Private. What is that? Private set, right?
Yes.
String. What is that? What will be there now? EMP proj, right? EMP proj. Just I'm taking. Okay. Another one is a private list. Private list. What will be? List string. And what is that? EMP module, right? EMP modules. EMP modules. Fine. Another one is what? Private map string. What is that? EMP client. Okay, good. So these are the data is there. Control Shift O to import the packages. Okay. So here what we will do now, if we want to make this table, what is that? Employee object as what? Entity class. What is that? @entity. Which annotation we will apply on the top of @entity now? Entity. Okay, good. Another one is what? Now, guys? Another one is what? To apply no argument, right? Constructor. No R constructor and all R constructor. Okay, fine. Lombok. Okay. So after then what is that? One more @data. Okay, good. After then what is that? I want to my choice name in the table. So what we will now @table annotation we will apply, and inside that what we will do now? We will take the name. Just I'm taking what? EMP tab, right? EMP tab. Fine now. Okay, good. So here what is that? @ID, right? @ID annotation. We will take the @ID column annotation, right? Column. Inside that what we will do now? We will take the name property, and what we will do now? Here what we will take? Here EID. Just I'm taking, right? EID. Okay, good. Another one is what? Now here also, right? Come here. @column. @column. Here what is that? Name equal to what? Ename, right? I'm taking ename. Fine. Another one is what? Here @column, right? @column. Good. @column. Inside that what? Name I'm taking, right? Name inside that what? ESAL, right? ESAL I'm taking, right? Okay, fine now, guys. So come here. Now from the here onward our story is started now, guys. Okay, our story is started. Come here now. If collection base, what is the in the future, guys? This data will come. What is that? This data, whatever data is stored in the table, right? It will come from the UI. Okay, don't worry about that. Whenever we will start the MVC, we will see these things. Okay, everything we will implement in what Spring MVC, and these things will come from the UI. But here what is that? We are just what is that doing using console base, right? The data will come from the test class, but in the real time this data will come as a what, UI page, right? UI page. So okay, fine now guys, so next let's move on. I told, right, which annotation we will apply on the top of what is that the collection based annotation, collection based attitude attribute. Now guys, at the rate element collection, right? What is that? At the rate element collection. Now for that, see this. Okay, so what is that? At the rate element collection, at the rate element collection, right? Okay, good. So same annotation what we will do now on the top of this one also. These are the mandatory now guys. If we are using what is that collection based, right, then this annotation is mandatory, otherwise our application will not work. Okay, otherwise our application will not work. But what is that? So these are the, this is the mandatory, but some optional annotations also there now guys. So to generate the table, right, table will create by default based on this one only, right? So but I want my choice name, right? I want whenever our table will create, right, whenever, see this, whenever our this table will create, this one table name, my choice name will be, right, my choice name. And what is that? This proj, right, this column, element column is my choice name, right? For that annotations are there, for those also what is that annotations are there. Let's see that those annotations, right? Iterate collection, iterate collection table, right? Iterate what annotation is there? Iterate collection table, right? In the iterate collection table, whenever we will take the top of what is that the attribute, right, what will happen now? It will denote what is that this table name, to give what, this table name. For that, what annotation we will take now guys? Iterate collection table, right? Inside that, what we will do now, we will take the name, right? We will take the name equal to what your choice name, right? I'm giving what is a project tab, right? Proj tab. I'm going to give what is that? Proj tab, right? Project tab. Okay, so fine now guys. Okay, good. After then what is that? After then what is that? So now good. So here what is that? To join, right? To join column, right? Join column, which column, right? Column, right? Here what you want? If you don't want, right, this name, right, then you, if you want to give, yeah, this name as what our EID is there, right? EID. Otherwise what is that? Another name will generate by default our what is that? ORM. So what you will do now? For that, one more annotation inside is, inside one more comma, and what is the join columns, right? At the rate, what is that? At the rate join, at the rate join column, right? At the rate join column, inside that, what you will do now? Name equal to what is that? Just I'm giving what is that? EID only, right? EID. Fine. Okay, good. After then, what is that? Come here. This one, right? We are giving this name. Okay, I want to give the this name. So normal, how we are giving the name of the attribute, like at the rate column, right? Then we will apply on the top of what is that? Normal also at the rate column, at the rate column. Inside that, what we will do now? Name equal to what? Name equal to what?